In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve your ChatGPT upgrade problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start the most common fix first. So we want to go ahead and make sure you're logged into the correct account. So a lot of upgrade problems happen because people are signed into a different account than the one they want to upgrade. So I want to come over to ChatGPT, click onto your account and make sure you're using the correct account. So if you got more than one account here, just go ahead and select that account. Now fix number 2, if the upgrade button is missing or frozen, so we can go ahead and refresh the page. So we can do a hard refresh by clicking on Control and F5 on your keyboard, or exiting out and then reopening up ChatGPT. We can also try another browser like Edge or Firefox or something different that you're normally using, and also disable any VPNs or ad blockers temporarily. Now, the next fix is to clear the browser cache. So corrupted cookies can block subscription pages. So what we need to do is click on the three dots, click into settings. From here on the left hand side, privacy and security, and then click on deleting browsing data. Now you want to make sure this is set to all time. Click on show more and select cached images of files and cookies and other site data and click on delete data. Now the next fix is to go ahead and get into settings. So click on user profile, click into settings. Now you want to click into billing. Now once we're inside billing, scroll down and make sure you selected the right payment method as well. So having the wrong payment method is obviously going to cause you some issues. So you might have insufficient funds, international transaction blocks, expired cards in here, and virtual cards may not be supported at this point in time. So we can always try a different card. So you can add a new card here and then set that one as default.